Let's go.
Let's go. Excuse the mask. We're at IKEA. I think we've got to go this way.
Which way? That way.
So Echoes has just said he doesn't want to share a trolley with me in case we look like a couple. I was a bit hurt by that, to be honest, in terms of the fact he doesn't want to be seen with me or wouldn't want to go out with me, even though he'd obviously be the one punching in the relationship.
Go on then, rate yourself out of 10.
Is it arrogant to give yourself anything more than like a 7 if someone asks you that question? What are we talking about? Just in terms of looks or personality? Because I've got a shit personality. Would you rate yourself out of 10?
9.7. Gotta back yourself.
I was just going to give myself a 7 and be a bit of a pussy about it. We made it. So I'm after a desk and bedside tables. Eccles
I'm
is
after a couple of floaters.
some shelves. Both want rugs if we can, if they ain't too pricey. And Eccles wants some pillows because he's got beef with the ones he's got at the minute. What's the deal with your pillows at the minute?
It's the duck down to keep stabbing me while I'm asleep.
Duck down like this.
I like how everyone's really keeping 2 meters apart.
Shout, that's why you need a face mask, bro. Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Oh shit. Where are you gonna put it?
I'll put it in my room.
Put it on your head.
Put it on my head, yeah.
Make sure you water it every week.
I like that.
First purchase. Oh, Eccles is on a mad one. If you're ever feeling down, get it wrapped up in knuckles and give it respect. But you're right. Eccles is just about to show me where he's going on his holidays this year.
Nowhere.
So there you go. What kind of pillow we're talking?
Oh, these are them, aren't
Are
they?
you a squishy boy? Or do you want a firm pillow?
I'm a squishy boy.
Oh yeah. I'm all about the firm.
£2 each.
£2 for a couple of pillows?
2. Shall I get 4? Let's get 4.
Counting with Eccles. 1 pillow. 2 pillow. 4 pillows. You know, I've got 3 pillows on my bed.
You were good at maths.
Shout out to all the Geminis out there.
Is that what you are?
Yeah. Gemini's the best one, isn't it?
No. It's the most nuggety one. Some websites say I'm a Libra, some say I'm a Virgo. Massive Virg.
I'll back that you're a massive Virg.
The average bros.
Who's who in this?
That's you.
Nah. That's me. He's got freckles. And a hat on backwards.
That's me. That's you.
Yeah.
That's Jack.
That's Jack Vegan, 100%. Middle one's Ollie.
Ollie. Higgs.
Maybe Greenie. I know Greenie's into a bit of dress up like
That's
that.
me, but without the moustache. That's a bit nonsense. No moustache.
First merch drop. Use discount code IKEA, 20% off. I think these are pretty nice, but they're a bit girly.
Hey.
Tell me about the piece. How does it make you feel?
Well, I painted this piece several years ago.
What was going through your mind at the time?
Tarzan.
Just finished watching Tarzan. Now go on. How much do you think all your stuff's come to?
100 quid.
I reckon mine's about 60. I reckon yours is about 120. What are you saying, card roulette?
Go on then. If you're brave enough.
I'm brave enough.
Alright, let's go.
I've never done this before.
Give me your card then.
Right, okay. Oh, it's in the car.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Well, it looks like I'm paying.
Shout out to Ben Eccles for having some cash money on him.
Yeah.
You got your card as well? You got enough money to do it?
I got my card.
I can run out if I need.
Money.
That was a long time to be wearing a mask. We tried getting food, because obviously IKEA meatballs go off. But the food bit was full and you weren't allowed to stand and wait, so we had to leave. So There's a Mackey's somewhere very close by. Have you been to Mackey's yet since it's opened?
No.
No. So pretty successful. Didn't get the shelf the desk that I wanted. But apart from that, I'm not doing too bad.
Good trip.
Good trip.
Fresh trip.
We'll finish it off with a Mackey's, and this time we will actually play card roulette. Mackey's Cubes wasn't the one, so we've opted for the slightly healthier Subway. Pick a card. Pick a card.
This one. Okay, we can play with this one. We're playing card roulette, so Jack's lost.
So,
Cheers.
in next time.
See you later.
So we finished at IKEA before, got pretty much everything I needed apart from my desk, had some food, and now we're with these absolute, no don't. And now with these nuggets, going for a little walk for Ollie's B-Day, which was yesterday, but he were busy. So we're going up Holcombe Hill, which is somewhere over there. I don't know. Jack, what are these called?
Marcus Rashford comes out.
What are they called?
I can't remember.
I literally told you 24 hours ago.
It wasn't 24 hours ago.
It was?
48.
No, yesterday.
Is it?
Oh yeah, it was 48.
Oh,
apologies. Yeah, it's a foxglove.
Foxglove, that's it. I knew it was something like an animal.
Yeah.
Foxglove. They're beautiful though.
Educational as well as hilarious.
I love them, mate. They were beautiful.
Your favourite flowers?
Not my favourite flowers, no.
What's your favourite flowers?
I don't really know. I actually quite like buttercups, you know.
There's a load of little forget-me-nots near us. They're quite cool. Little blue flowers. Tiny little blue ones.
I also remember girls when they used to make daisy chains.
Yeah.
I thought they were pretty cool.
Yeah. You could pull off a daisy chain.
Oh mate, I did used to pull off a daisy chain, mate. Trust. Well, you're gonna have to lift it all the way up, you can't drop it, do you know what I mean? Do you reckon I should go back and get these vlogs now, prove everyone wrong? No.
No, there's no point because you can't do it.
That you... That's how confident you've got to be. I honestly don't. Is that one? I swear down, bro. I actually swear down. Oh, I feel like whacking you. Ah!
What? Oh, I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna be sick. What's your head? What's your head?
Yeah, I bet you can't dive through the middle of it.
I'll bet I can if you can. You've got this, Greenie. Yeah, I like that. I like that.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Go on, Greenie.
Go on.
You've got it. You've got it. Just got to commit.
Echoes, bet you can't fit through that.
I bet you I can't. I'm too thick to fit through that. Stand wherever you are.
You have to move a step forward every time.
Until someone gets hit. Ooh!
You're Jane. Watch your head, dog. You want your feet to be higher up.
You want to get your head inside properly.
I'm not going to get made in.
You need to stop being a...
You need to lift your feet up a bit. Can you lift them up?
Bad hay fever. Oh, he's got tears coming out.
Yeah, my eyes are horrible.
Do you want an inhaler? Roll that little chair on my face.
I got
I got jelly babies. I've got lip balm.
Cola flavour.
Actually, I might put some lip balm on my nose. Stops pollen going up your nose, apparently.
I've got
Some lip balm.
go on then, give me a lip balm.
Hey, that.
I've also got...
Nice to put them coming down here.
Get a slow motion replay on that.
He can feel.
I'm a real boy.
I'm devastated, mate.
Uh-oh. Echoes is out. Hey baby.
I got asthma.
This buckle that snapped in it. Is it?
Is it actually cracked off? Oh yeah, hasn't it?
You know what? I reckon if I send this to check that off, proper rope burn my fingers there. Honestly, it looked bad that. I thought you were gonna look like. Oh, look at that! I've actually rope burn my fingers to fuck.
Well, it looked bad when I saw it.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna do a big jump. I got
Yeah.
But your bag caught. Do you reckon if I send it to Osprey, because they're gonna do a lifetime guarantee anyway? Obviously, it's my fault.
Yeah. Osprey, if you're watching this, don't fix his bag. He doesn't deserve it. It's his own fault for being a nugget.
Is that gonna be tied up? Osprey aren't watching your shit.
Why so good with dogs, Jack? Did you get anything nice for your birthday?
No, I got nothing. Nothing but failure and misery.
I told you, don't want to talk about it, Jack. Come on, like, you must have got something nice.
Didn't even get a cake. Greenie, did you get your chlamydia test back?
Yeah, apparently you gave me gonorrhea as well.
Oh, Echoes, come here, I got a game for you. So I bet I can make you say 17.
No, honestly, that's
17.
Yeah. What is 5 times 10?
50.
Times 2?
100.
Take away 30.
70.
Way.
I got you.
You actually had me like a couple teeth, like you weren't squeezing my neck at all. I didn't know
Bastard.
Squeeze on.
Right, let's try.
Oh wait, you're trying to make me say.
Right,
I've
oh.
got it. I'm not.
Coming in a headlock.
You said. I'm not going to say it.
Yeah, don't say it. I'm glad that went so well.
Yeah. What you're not saying?
Marcus, I bet I can make you say 17.
I'm not gonna sing Taylor Swift, are you?
No.
What
What's
was the last girl you sat with?
so? What's 5 times 10?
1, 2, 3.
Max just can't work it out.
Nah, he's on the spot. I'll do it. That. He's on the spot.
Go on,
50.
dyslexic when you help him out.
It's 50.
Right, okay. Times by 2.
100.
Take away 30.
70.
Way. Told you.
Didn't say it though.
You did.
70.
Yeah.
How's that 17?
That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you all again soon. Peace.